Hey y'all, Xavier here, and we're back again. Tonight we're gonna be tonight. Tonight. I'm watching House of the Dragon, episode 5. So last episode we saw Rhaenyra explore the town with Daemon, and then she lost her virginity with Kristen Cole, and she also what's her name? Right, she got the secret leak because the white worm, which would be Missaria, she had her little spy in the area, and the spy reported it back to Missaria. Missaria reported it back to Otto Hightower. Otto Hightower made it known to the king, the queen, because she was in the room, and Alicent and the queen talked. Sorry, Alicent and Rhaenyra talked, and Alicent advocated for Rhaenyra, but Viserys decided, she has to marry Laena to just dead, because at the start of the episode, Rhaenyra just boxed with all the marriage proposals, and then Daemon came back, and yeah. And then Daemon got sent away at the end because of him making out with Rhaenyra. And yeah, so it's back of something. And so we're gonna see this episode, I guess, the wedding between Laenor Valyrian and Rhaenyra Targaryen. Alright, so anything else? No, that's it. Let's get into it.
Tomorrow, Lady Rhea.
Cousin?
What's today's quarry? Rabbit?
Dear.
Oh, fine challenge. Care for some company?
I'd rather ride alone.
Okay, so this is Rhea Royce. Well, Rhea Targaryen now. Daemon's wife. Is that Daemon?
Husband?
It is. It is him.
What brings you to the Vale? Or have you at last come to consummate our marriage?
Oh wow, they've not even had sex yet?
Might be willing, even if I'm not. Our sheep are prettier, after all. Or will you strike the child down? Or...
Oh! Damn.
I knew you couldn't finish. Craven!
With a rock? Ah, boy. Well, dust passes her. Goodbye, Rhea. Okay, that's Driftmark.
I do not wish to see you go.
Such is the king's decision.
A decision I most bitterly regret.
And yet you made it possible.
If you had not been so relentless in advancing Aegon's heir!
Oh, she has a point. If you had just done it.
Listen
Wait.
to me, daughter. The king will die. It may be months or years, but he'll not live to be an old man. And if Rhaenyra succeeds him, war will follow. Do you understand?
War is gonna follow either way.
Scepter. And to secure her claim, she'll have to put your children to the sword. She'll have no choice. You know it. You're no fool, and yet you choose not to see it. time is coming, Alicent. Either you prepare Aegon to rule, or you cleave to Rhaenyra and pray for her mercy.
Oh, damn. That's a harrowing. Harrowing? No, that's a bit too much. That's a sad sight to see. Even though her father was kind of an asshole, he was kind of an ugh. You know, it's still her dad, and he's all she knows, so I get it. It's sad to see him leave, either way.
The weather has been lovely.
Indeed. And yet it is a dark day for the realm.
Is Laris gonna be getting in
My father
with
was a good man.
Alicent? No? He's trying to
As is yours, who took his place.
work his way to her side?
Never invited to speak, one learns instead to
Observe.
observe.
That is true.
It's in need of an ally,
Exactly like I
I'm a
thought.
queen. I have no shortage of allies.
naturally. I did wonder if she could be relied upon now that she is unwell.
Unwell?
Grand Maester delivered a tea to the princess's chambers.
Tea.
Yes.
Oh, this man knows his secrets.
See, I thought for Melos himself. That condition must be something very serious. What happiness it is to have been wrong.
Oh, this guy is smart. Yeah. He's getting clever. I want to see how he does moving forward. Viserys is not doing well, is he?
Are you well?
Very.
Yeah, he's not.
Most surprising end. Lady Rhea's skill as both rider and hunter were well known.
The gods are cruel.
Indeed.
Oh, yes, they are.
Fine woman and a good wife to my brother.
Yeah.
There are certain details I would wish clarified before the Princess Rhaenys and I could accept this most generous proposal.
What details?
Politicking's gonna happen.
Succession will be handled.
Of course.
Selena and Rhaenyra's children shall take their father's name, Valyrian, in keeping with our traditions. However, at such time when their firstborn ascends the Iron Throne, he or she will do so bearing the name Targaryen. Dragons will rule the Seven Kingdoms for the next 100 years, just as they did the last.
Fair compromise. So there will be both Targaryens and Valyrians.
This is an equitable compromise.
I know this union is not what you would choose.
I hold nothing against your cousin.
No. Rather, dare I say it is a matter of taste.
What does she mean by that?
I prefer roast duck to goose. I cannot say why.
It's not for a lack of trying. There are those who like goose very well.
I find it a bit greasy for my taste. We perform our duty to our fathers and to the realm. And when it's done, each of us dines as we see fit.
Bargains upon bargains.
They grew up together. Familiarity is not at issue.
I'm sure Lena was already taken with her. She's grown quite comely these last few years.
You know his true nature.
He's still young. He will outgrow it.
Oh, he does not like women?
Pleasure in the world, like bedding a woman.
We are placing our son in danger.
You were robbed of the crown.
I never wore the crown. Because the realm would not have it so.
And I would remedy that small-minded error by any means necessary.
I myself have put the business behind me.
He has not. That's why he accepted the proposal.
Your betrothed gives you leave, of her own free will, to continue partaking of. Who's either duck or the goose?
I make my fate and you make a jape of it.
Of course.
She has a paramour of her own. I wonder who it is.
There he is.
Forgive me. I know you a bit.
You know more than a bit.
Yeah, you know Oliver.
If there were another path, one that led to freedom, would you tread it?
No,
I'm asking you to come with me.
she would not do that.
Let us leave it all behind and see the world together.
No, she's a woman of duty.
In Essos. You could marry me
Sweet, but no.
for love, not for the crown.
Not gonna work, bud. Not gonna work, dude. Not gonna work.
I may chafe at my duties. But do you think I would choose infamy in exchange for a bushel of oranges or a ship to a shy?
No, she would not. I could see this coming.
To marry a nobleman from a great house, and Selena will make a fine husband.
She's a woman of her principles and her duty.
So you want me to be your whore?
Okay, buddy. Poor Sir Kristen. Rhaenyra is thinking of the prophecy. She's thinking of both her, like, she is wedded to the idea that she has to perform her duty as the future queen, and she's also thinking of the prophecy that Targaryen has to be on the throne for the knife and the White Walkers and stuff.
The Queen.
I wonder why she wants him.
I fear I must question you on a delicate matter, Sir Kristen.
Oh, she's gonna ask about Rhaenyra and Daemon.
Dear Princess Rhaenyra.
And about the tea.
It is of course unthinkable for me to question the virtue of the princess, whom I hold in highest regard. I did, however, wonder if... I'm not unaware that in flush of youth...
Alison, you just beat her on the bush.
Breaches in resolve. Breaches, or rather lapses.
It happened, Your Grace.
He thinks she's talking about him and Rhaenyra. Not Daemon and Rhaenyra.
You allude to. I have committed it.
Why? Oh, my brother.
Her instigation, it is true, but that should... It is no excuse.
Oh, no. Oh, my brother.
I deserve no consideration.
No.
You may go.
Kristen just gave away the game. Oh boy. Boy.
You have carried King Jaehaerys' legacy and kept the realm strong. Is it not better to live in peace than to have songs sung after you are dead?
He did keep the peace. That is true.
There is a part of me wishes I'd been tested. I often think that in the Crucible, I may have been forged a different man.
That's entirely possible.
Only wish to have been spared it.
Aye, that's a good point.
What might assure me that I would rise like Aegon the Conqueror given the chance?
Your Grace, that is
You're
your
right. You're right. As always.
Lionel does. Yeah, Lionel does make good points. Very sound reasoning. Oh, dragons! Those are
Lannister with their lord, Jason.
Those were the dragons of Laenor and Rhaenys, I'm thinking.
Made a fine match for the princess.
Thank you, Lord Jason. I could think of no better man than Selena.
Oh boy.
This is why men wage war. Because a woman would never be ready for the battle in time.
Your presence is always such a pleasure, Lord Jason.
Always a pleasure. Oh boy. I don't say no boy, but I was. Oh boy.
And his lady wife, Princess Rhaenys Targaryen, and their son and heir, Selena Valyrian. The future king consort.
My betrothed.
My betrothed.
We honor the crown's oldest and fiercest ally, House Velaryon.
That is true. They have been allies for decades.
With House Targaryen and
Okay, she's fashionably late.
The beacon on the high tower. Do you know what color it glows when Old Town calls its banners to war?
Green.
Green. Oh, interesting.
"7 days of tournament and feasting. And at the end of it all,
7 days. Oh. 7 days for the 7 kingdoms and the 7 gods.
I was never much of a dog.
A lot of knowing glances. A lot of glances.
Niece's wedding, I plan to fly to the area and petition Lady Jane myself. Perhaps I'll see you there, Sir Gerald.
Exactly, Gerald. Watch what you're doing. Don't let your passion get in front of your brain. Viserys is so not into this.
Sir Kristen Cole.
A sworn protector.
Look at him. The man is fully construct.
What a word.
Prince, a dashing knight and a dragon rider. You appear to be every young maiden's dream.
That's only because you don't know me
yet.
It's a good thing. She knows your secret. And now you know hers.
Ah, yes. Always good to know. Knowledge is power.
It's quite dear to me. As I know, the princess is to you. But we should swear to each other to guard them and their secrets. Because if those are kept safe,
we are kept safe.
And so are we all.
But you didn't keep the secret safe, Kristen. You blabbed it to the wrong person. Oh, was that the Jester? That's the source for the book?
May I say, of course, my prince.
Hey yo, Viserys, take time with the chicken, man. Or whatever bird that is. He won't do that, because he can't. Oh, what's happening? Oh, Viserys. Oh no. Someone stop him. Oh, they're doing the wedding right now. Yeah, cause Kristen ruined the vibe.
I'm yours, and you're mine. Whatever may come.
I am yours and you are mine. Whatever may.
Wait. What's Kristen doing?
And men, I proclaim Targaryen to be man and wife. One flesh.
Kristen? Oh boy.
Sir Kristen.
Oh, what a shot. What a way to end. Oh, this ends, right? Yeah. Wow, wait. Wow. Wow. Like I said, I know the end of what happens. I know some like major stuff, but this, yeah, I did not remember this. Yeah. Damn. I'm kind of speechless. Yeah, let me just end here and move to the discussion now. Alright, so that was interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna keep this discussion short because I don't. I'm trying to keep it short. Alright, so we saw Rhaenyra and the king went to Driftmark. We found out that Sir Joffrey Lonmouth is the lover of Laenor Velaryon. It was proposed that by Viserys that we also found out that Lord Strong is now the new hand. Where so we found that the Laenor Rhaenyra marriage was proposed. It was accepted on some conditions that the future king or queen would be named Targaryen, but all the other heirs would be named Velaryon, and that Rhaenyra would still be the heir. Rhaenys was worried because she predicted that there would be conflicts because of this. But Corlys is like, we are strong. Don't worry about it. Otto gives his daughter some parting words to watch out and prepare Aegon to be king. Larry Strong, he got in with Alicent and gave her the news that the tea was delivered to Rhaenyra. When everybody returned, Christian proposed to Rhaenyra that they run away and all that, and she was like, no, like, no, come on. And so that was never gonna go anywhere. Alicent questions Christian reveals that he and Rhaenyra had sex, so bad idea, and that's just problems. And so Alicent is like, wow, Rhaenyra lied to me. She swore nothing happened between her and Daemon, but then she left out that something happened between her and Kristen. She left out that she's no longer a virgin, And also about the tea. Yeah, okay, so Rhaenyra, Alicent's mind is turning because she's like, what's going on? And then they have the wedding. No, not start the wedding. It's welcome dinner. Everything's going well. Oh, sorry, forgot to start. Lady Ray Royce, Daemon's wife, she died because Daemon was there to do harm. She tried to get away and horse fell on her, and then Daemon finished her off. Tragic. Right now we had the welcome dinner. Just a mess. With Alicent arriving late, Daemon showing up. Alicent, Rhaenyra says, you're now single to Daemon, but if you want me, you have to take me, and stuff like that. A little certain thing. That's what I'm calling it. And then Joffrey figures out that Kristen is Rhaenyra's paramour, talks to him. Kristen is in his feelings, his honor is gone, he's emotional, and he kills Joffrey. And that just puts everything on the downer. And Laenor and Rhaenyra just get married that night. Christian's about to kill himself, but Alicent stops him. And that's where we end off. That was a good episode. I really liked it. A great ending. The shot where the rats eat look in the blood. Oh man. Setting things up so wow. And I think that was the last episode that we're gonna see these actresses playing Rhaenyra and Alicent. Yo, I'm just gonna say, yo, they're amazing. Millie Alcock and what's her name? Who plays Alicent? Emily Carey. Yo, good job by them. They will be missed. They did well. Ah, man. Great actresses. I'm really, really proud of the job they did. The little changes and like, oh man. Great actor. I can't even say it. It's like brilliant. And this episode was like a so much a good episode. It kept you invested. And like some of the shots, the cinematography, beautiful. Okay, it wasn't. The shots and the scenery, all that, not beautiful. Cause like when you compare it to like Rings of Power, it fails in that comparison. But I really like the cinematography, just the shots, angles, and everything. And the scene at the dinner, we see the knowing glances between the people, between Joffrey and Kristen and Rhaenyra and Laenor and Daemon. Yeah. Yeah. I really can't say anything. Yeah, so. I was gonna say, I really enjoy that. I'm really looking forward to episode 6. I want to see how the older versions of these actresses, they do older versions of the characters, how they do. Olivia Cooke is playing older Alicent, and Emma Darcy is playing older Rhaenyra. I will see that Viserys is in bad shape. The man, Viserys is not gonna last the rest of the season. That's not even a spoiler. You can just see it when he's not gonna last the rest of the season. He's gonna be dead by like episode. I think it's 10 episodes in this. Episode 9 or 10, he's gone. And then we're gonna see, cause Alicent is upset with Rhaenyra, and I don't know if they're gonna be amending that before. So, yeah, it's setting things up well. Okay, those are my thoughts. Look forward to see you next time, and goodbye.